Fantasyland Hotel. We're going to take a tour of room 530. Door lock's a little bit finicky. So as you come in, security features, you have a fire map, 2 peepholes, deadbolt, and a latch. To the right is an open-air closet. There's some extra bedding and an ironing board. Clean room and do not disturb. And to the right is the bathroom. Sink, toilet, bathtub, shower. Here's a little desk here with a coffee maker, some cups, an office. That's not an office chair, that's just a normal chair, never mind. Lamp, and a mirror. I'm gonna have to do this a little bit quick because this isn't my room, but here are the beds. They feel quite comfortable. Here's the nightstand with a phone and an alarm clock. Oh, and here we have the Holy Bible, and that probably wasn't there at the beginning, but some information on the hotel. Here's the TV, and some little shelves with, pause to read that, and some glasses. A nice bucket, some more glasses. Here I think we will, we have a safe. Drawers. Some storage space right there. Oh, here's the mini fridge. I don't think there's a microwave anywhere here. Huh, kind of interesting. Here we have 2 more chairs with a table. Another little shelf here with a mirror. Here's the window. That's part of the mall right there, the water park. There's the hotel building. Here's a still photo of the room. Oh, and I forgot to mention, these rooms can be adjoined. I'm sorry, I am rushing a little bit because, as I said, this isn't my room, this is my grandparents' room. Don't want to kick them out of here for too long. I believe this is just a heater over here. I think the air conditioning is maybe in there, or maybe there. So this seems like a pretty nice room. I'm not exactly sure what the price is, but yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick tour.